Alright guys, so we are outside right now. We're at my old job at John Elway. Trying to get a quote because I got hit and ran the other day. There's scuffs on the mirror, scuffs on the side. They actually cracked my fender too. Where is it at? It's right there. So they actually cracked my fender right there. And there's a scuff, they broke the paint there. And there's a scuff all through down this thing. So right now, I'm at John Elway Chevrolet, where I used to work. I'm gonna get it quoted out to get it wet sand buffed and repainted, or just wet sand buffed because I plan on getting it repainted tomorrow. I've already contacted plenty of people, plenty of folks on that portion, but yeah, my baby is looking kind of rough right now with the damages done to it. Right here, as y'all can see again. Yeah, I just wanted to film this little part, this little portion here to be on the iPhone. I guess the rest of the quality will be on better quality, so sorry. If y'all don't hear me as crispy, it doesn't sound as good as how I would do it on my camera, but I definitely had to film this process and let y'all see the vet, because this is kind of what's going on right now as far as me getting hit and ran. So y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe so I can get this fixed. I'm at a job right now where I make enough, so this doesn't really hurt my pockets, but go ahead, like, comment, subscribe so I can go ahead and get this fixed, you feel me? So we're waiting on my boy Dave, my guy Dave over there right now, to come out here and look at it as well, and then kind of price it out and see what we can do and how soon we can do it. So yeah, I'll get back to y'all here when we get to the better quality camera. Alright y'all, so I'm currently in the vet right now, and today is the day we're going to go ahead and get the Z06 bumper painted on. You know what I'm saying? We're going to get this thing slapped on, have my thing in like a Z06 and sound like a Z06 real soon. I told y'all this summer I'm about to go crazy. All my friends know, everybody I talk to, you know what I'm saying, that's, you know what I'm saying, up close and personal with me, and I talk to like almost every day, these boys know it's coming. So yeah, unfortunately the vet did get hit, so this is kind of the only thing that's forcing me to upgrade the car right now. Like, I was gonna wait a little bit longer to do this, but somebody hit and ran on the vet, so that's that. And we just kind of gotta move on, get that buffed out, get it repainted. And I was like, since I gotta get this whole thing repainted, why not just bring the bumper with me? I gotta find my other fender so I can have the complete package here soon. But the Z06 bumper is right here, like sitting right here in the cabin with me, and I'm just like, we're kind of crammed in here. Let's flip the camera. The trunk is open, so this is what it looks like in my cockpit right now. There goes the seat, the bumper right there, and the trunk is open right now, guys. So let's get a full understanding. I am cooped up in this thing, and I mean, it's comfortable. And I just went ahead and purchased a few items, and I will introduce y'all to Doc at John Elway Chevrolet, where I get all my parts for the Chevy mobile. But I jammed this baby in here, and we are going to go get it painted today and hopefully put on. Without the grill piece here and the scoop grill piece there, those who know about Corvettes, we gotta have that in there. So yeah, boys, stay tuned. I'm headed right back to work. I'm on my break right now, headed back to my full-time job. You know what I'm saying? I got to wear a drip today, and I get to wear a drip every day and get the weekends on, so it's also kind of nice. But yeah, I'm on my break right now, so I'm headed back to my job, and after that we'll start filming again and head straight to go get the bumper painted. So like, again, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you made it this far, and y'all boys stay tuned. You know what I'm saying, for this DLC bumper. Okay. Alright y'all, so we are now at the house where we need to be to get the bumper and the paint damage fixed and painted and repaired. So we might not even have to repaint the car. But first we're gonna get the car wet sand buffed, and hopefully that'll get majority of the scratches out, and hopefully we don't have to repaint over the car, so for the fender in the back. So with that being said, hopefully just the wet sand buff clears a lot of it and helps get everything out of there, so we don't have to repaint it and make this process so much more faster. And then we're getting the Z06 bumper painted, you feel me? So I can't wait for y'all to see that and how good that's gonna look on the car. So y'all just go ahead and stay tuned. We're currently at my man Chip's house. He's the one doing the work, you know what I'm saying? So we currently at Chip's house, and he's gonna be the one that's gonna be restoring the vet. So y'all go ahead and make sure y'all, I might put his information if he wants it in here. If not, then I'm not gonna do that because, you know what I'm saying, we don't wanna do that, you know what I'm saying? So, some people are federal, you know what I'm saying? So we don't want to plug in that type of information, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all stay tuned though. We're currently waiting on my boy Kai Beats to come pick me up. Shout out to my boy Kai Beats. My boy always come in clutch when it comes to come scooping your boy and coming doing things for your boy. So you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Kai Beats, and he makes some fire beats. So y'all go ahead and tap into his YouTube channel, Prod Malachi. Y'all can get all the fire beats that y'all want, you know what I'm saying? This time I can hit my phone boy. Look at him. What up, my boy? Yes, sir. He liking the wet. He liking the vet. You like that? You like this? Yes, sir. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. One day you'll have one too. Ooh, you like the lamb? I want to give me one of those too. Yeah, buddy. So yeah, I'm gonna give me a lamb too. He got big dreams. I like that. You know what I'm saying? I like where his head's at. Hopefully he can get a Lamborghini because I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna bring one to the channel too. But yeah, like I said, Malachi on the way, and I'm gonna get back to y'all when we in Malachi car. All right, my boy Kai Beats had to come see the damage is to the vet. So I was just like, let me pull out the camera and show y'all boys again.
Hey, nigga, what you do?
Somebody hit and ran on the vet, gang. Scraped my shit and took off. No license plate, no nothing. And we got somebody keep my shit here too. Right here, here. And then the back fender got fucked up too. So I'm like, yeah, I can't ride around like that. And the Z06 bumper's gonna get painted too. That's sitting right there. The black one, that black piece. But I had that Z06 bumper on that bit looking dirty, dude. My shit finna look clean as hell. It's gonna look so clean.
You finna paint it all that shit?
Yeah, we're gonna paint the bumper, nigga, so it's the same color as the car. And I got the grill pieces, nigga. So I got this coming, and then I got the scoop grill pieces coming, so it doesn't look, because right now it would just be without that grill. It would just be open, nigga. And I don't think I would like that look. Yeah. So my parts will be here tomorrow, and I'll come drop those off tomorrow. And he said he's gonna have it done by this weekend. One nigga quoted me $1,200. I said, wow. Oh, wow. He been doing this shit for like 13 years.
For real?
Yeah. 13 years, gang. Gang of lands.
Get me right, nigga.
Yeah.
God, bro.
Oh.
I tell you?
No.
Nigga, I was driving, and I don't know what it was. It was like some little thing that be on the side of the road. It just came over and just smacked me.
Dang, that's what happened to my windshield.
Nigga,
Dang, that could have happened to my car.
what?
When my windshield got hit.
Yeah,
There was a rock that hit my windshield. There was a rock that hit my windshield.
It hit my windshield. It didn't crack it though.
For real, dang, that's crazy. Look, so something hit Kai Beats with too. See, I'm so glad it didn't happen to my windshield because a rock hit my shit. Crazy, gang. I'm talking about crazy. That would have happened to my shit. My whole shit would go. Oh man. And then what else? What else we got here? The TDK damage.
TDK don't know how to drive.
The TDK damages.
You talking about somebody scraped it? No, that nigga did it. This nigga don't know how to drive.
I did not do that. Why is you lying to them, bro?
Nigga scraped my bumper.
Why is you lying to them, bro? I did not. I know how to drive. And he got the black top. Look at him. He got the track package with the Beats audio. Sponsored by Beats by Dre. Where's the nigga going? I hopped in the car. This nigga look goofy as hell. Look at it now. That nigga look funny. That guy. That guy, nigga. That shit funny, man. That shit funny, but yeah, bro. Hopefully he have my shit ready by Saturday. I'm hoping Saturday, bro. I'm crossing my fingers. So he's gonna wet sand buff it first. And then that should get the majority of the scratches and shit out. You know what I'm saying? So we might not even have to repaint that side of the fender. Like most of the scratches can come out.
Yeah.
So hopefully we can just roll with that, and all you gotta do is paint that bumper. Throw the bumper on with the grill tomorrow, and shit, that shit can be done by Saturday is what I'm hoping. Hopefully he don't push it out to Sunday, cause man, that's gonna be a long time without the vet. It's what, Wednesday? Tuesday? Today's Tuesday. So yeah, Wednesday, he got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, nigga. So I get off of work at 1 on Saturday, so I'm gonna need him to get that right, you feel me? But yeah, so hopefully we can get that done by Saturday. I'm crossing my fingers. put it to this guy. He get it done all the time. So, you know what I'm saying? My shit always just work out in my favor for some odd reason. It just always work out in my favor, bro. Here, I'll say goodbye to the vet. So long, we're gonna be pushing that ugly ass Saturn. That ugly ass car, bro. I don't even want to be seen in that car, dude. I got my new job, bro, so now I feel like I'm going crazy. I need a Lexus now.
Yeah, Lexus.
Yeah.
High class,
You know what I'm saying? That'll be my daily. I wanted to go buy the charger back for content, but the charger sold. Yes, the charger sold. Unfortunately, yeah, I was gonna bring that back to the channel as a surprise, but I've been tracking it for the last couple of months, and that bit finally sold. I was like, I knew it. It sold with the audio broken too, bro. I know they didn't fix the audio. Yeah, I know they didn't fix the audio. That thing was only going for like 14 grand. I could have bought that shit the first month, working out the new job, and had money left over. Bought that whole cash.
God damn, that nigga
No, I'm not, bro. I am not.
TK?
No, sir.
Talk to them niggas.
I am broke. I am broke. I am gonna upgrade some guns though. I'm gonna bring some guns to the channel too. We definitely going to go to the shooting range a lot.
My birthday the 21st, nigga.
Word? You can go to the gun range now, 18.
Get one?
Yeah.
For real?
Hell yeah. We are in the R2 Charger. My boy Kai B said, why the hell did we bash the Charger in the Josh and Raw video? Oh, he's putting in the sport mode. Sport mode, dude. Okay. Bro, you said, why did we bash the R2 Charger in the Josh and Raw video?
Yeah, bro. Y'all niggas hating.
We was not hating, bro. We didn't bash it that bad, bro.
It is a boat. It is a boat.
Yeah, bro. It is a boat. Do you not feel how boaty this is, bro?
It is a boat.
Exactly.
It's slow. I put it in sport. It ain't gonna do nothing.
Oh no, they pick it up. This shit all-wheel drive.
You feel that?
Oh no, it don't feel like the vet. It definitely don't feel like the vet, brother. That's why I had to get that hoe. The vet, I be killing niggas necks, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all, you know what I'm saying? We done filmed for like 5 minutes here, so I don't wanna hold y'all's necks up all day. Y'all go ahead and get some food real quick, and I'm gonna see y'all in about a few minutes when I get to the crib or something. So I can get y'all a story time of what's going on with the vet, man. So yeah. Now it's time for a little quick story time, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm home. I got the bucket outside. The Corvette I won't see for another about 4 or 5 days. Because like I said, 06 bumper's getting painted. And we're getting those little hit and run damages fixed. So now it's time for the story time, so y'all know exactly what happens to the vet and what next videos are here to come after this one. So somebody did hit and run the vet a couple days ago, scratched my whole side. You guys seen that, you know what I'm saying, in the video prior to this, prior to me talking about this even. Somebody did a hit and run, but I was too concerned about the car, so I stopped, pulled over to see what's wrong with my car, because I'm not about to chase nobody over a hit and run incident, especially because that could damage my car even a lot more. And at the time, my car is more valuable than trying to chase somebody down for a hit and run. So that just says that. Y'all see the damages there. For the next videos that are coming soon, coming next, I just want to let y'all know that I have been editing videos, just practicing my editing. That's kind of why you guys seeing how far this quality has came. I've been editing videos prior to this video, and there's already videos in the system that I already have uploaded on my channel. I just never dropped them yet. So these will be the next couple of videos that I'll be dropping here and there. I've done not public interviews, I've done car reviews on cars. I've been to car shows. Y'all will see my Hostile Hemis group when I was with the Charger. So even the videos prior to this one will have the video of the Charger, so y'all will see the Charger again and just kind of see a little story of that. And then you'll see me transition back into getting the vet. I'll just kind of catch you guys back up, and we'll drop another recent video. Did you say bless you? I hope you did. If you didn't, say it in the comment section right now. And I mean right now. But like I said, back to that, I will catch you guys back up to modern day, what I'm doing now. So like when I'm getting the bumper painted and whatnot, you guys might not see that video for the next month. Just because I'm gonna try to drop as consistently as I can with these videos that I already have in my system. I'm trying to be consistent with that, but then down the road, you guys will now start seeing the progress of the vet. And like I said, to a lot of people that know me and a lot of people that I talk to personally, that car should be ready to go by this summer. So we gonna be outside all summer. So That's just a little short story time, kind of the gist of my channel, what's going on with these next couple of videos. Just so y'all know what's going on with me and why I'm dropping these videos with the Charger to make it seem like I got two cars. I only have one car. I got the Corvette, but no, I got two cars. I got the Corvette and I got the bucket. So those are my only two cars. I will be bringing us some more cars to the channel here. I will be bringing a different daily, so you guys will never see the Saturn. I'll never sell the Saturn on this channel. I might do it for a jokey joke, but I don't think I will. You might see it in the video if you do point it out in the video. Good luck to you. You might win some, you might lose some. I don't care. But like I said, we'll be bringing some different cars to the channel. So, in the meantime, between time, y'all stay tuned with these old videos. Like, comment, subscribe, please. Let me know what you guys think of the quality of the videos that I've edited in the past, and we'll catch you up to the future times. You know what I'm saying? In modern day times, modern day Trey, modern day TDK, and catch y'all to Official Squad. Right on up, you feel me? But this will just be some content for y'all to watch. In the meantime, between time, I'll be editing in the back. You know what I'm saying? The process of what's going on. So everything will kind of be a late upload up until I finally catch myself back up. So I'll catch myself back up here soon. You guys won't. That won't be something that you guys have to worry about. So y'all just stay tuned, like I said, and yeah, boys, go ahead and become part of the 2 Official Squad. Once we get to 1,000 subscribers, I will be dropping some merch. So give me to 1K, please. 1K. Go ahead and get this video to about 10 likes. You know what I'm saying? Just because it's the beginning, this is just the beginning. We're gonna get more than 10 likes. You know what I'm saying? Down the road, y'all gonna be hearing me say 1,000 likes here soon. So y'all go ahead, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Okay.